Good morning, students. Today again we are going to start with the chapter 2 is matter round us pure, and we were doing the methods of separations. Now we last time did the that is method of separation में we did the centrifugation method. Now one thing which we did not did the method of separation में centrifugation method में application of centrifugation. So you note it down. I am speaking. You write down the methods of separation में application of centrifugation. Number one, this technique is used in diagnostic laboratories for blood and urine test. Second, it is used in dairies and homes to separate cream from milk. Third, this technique is also used in washing machine to squeeze out water from wet clothes. How it is used in washing machine? आपने घर में देखा होगा सबकी मशीन में स्पिनर होता है ना. अब उस स्पिनर में हम क्या कपड़े डालते हैं, तो यू मस्ट हैव सीन स्पिनर में छोटे छोटे होल्स होते हैं ना. तो जैसे हम सेंट्रीफ्यूज मशीन को स्पिनर को ऑन करते हैं, तो जैसे वो ऑन करते हैं वो रोटेट करना शुरू कर देता है. तो जैसे वो रोटेट होता है तो उसमें से हाई स्पीड में से जो है रोटेट होते हुए कपड़ों में से पानी निकलता है ना. तो पानी निकलता है तो वो क्या है, कपड़े सूख जाते हैं. तो कपड़े सूख जाते हैं तो ड्राई हो जाते हैं वो कपड़े. तो इस तरीके से वॉशिंग मशीन में स्क्वीज आउट करने के लिए यूज होता है, कपड़ों में से पानी निकालने के लिए. ठीक है. सो सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन टेक्निक इज यूज इन वॉशिंग मशीन टू स्क्वीज आउट वाटर फ्रॉम वेट क्लोथ्स. Last is, it is used in laboratories and industries for separating out suspended impurities from the liquids. Next technique which we are going to use is by using the separating funnel. You can see the figure. This is the separating funnel. I am showing you in the figure. This is the separating funnel. Now in this method, what is the special? This is how can we separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids. This is how can we separate the mixture of two immiscible liquids. What are immiscible liquids? Immiscible liquids are such pair of liquids which do not mix with each other. ओके जैसे हम ऑयल और वाटर को मिक्स करना चाहें तो वो कभी भी मिक्स नहीं होंगे. दे आर इमिसिबल लिक्विड्स. ओके, सो such immiscible liquids can be separated by using the separating funnel. Like kerosene, oil and water, they do not mix. ठीक है. So let us study now. This method is used for separating the mixture of immiscible liquid. Liquids separate into different layer depending on their densities. Now what is density? कौन सा कम हल्का है, कौन सा ज़्यादा भारी है. ठीक है ना. So if we mix a mixture of kerosene and oil and water in separating funnel, it form a separate layer of oil and water, right? And the water can be separated by opening the stopcock. After the water flows out and stopcock can be closed, right? So see in the figure, this is the separating funnel. इसको हम stand की help से इसमें stand कर लेंगे. ठीक है. Now हम ऊपर से क्या करेंगे, we will put the mixture of kerosene, oil and water. Now after standing around 5 to 10 minutes, what happens? Separate layers are formed. You can see kerosene oil and water. There are two different layers. Now we will open the stopcock. First water will come out. Water we will keep separate, and then kerosene oil. In this way the two separate liquids, they can be separated, right? So this technique is known as by using the separating funnel, separating the two liquids by using the separating funnel. And which type of liquid? Two immiscible liquids, right? What type of liquid? Two immiscible liquids. Now again, what are the application of this technique? This technique, write down, I am speaking. This technique is used to separate mixture of oil and water, okay, and mixture of any two immiscible liquids like kerosene oil and water. Okay, so this is the application of this technique. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, and it is also used in separation technique of जो हमारा iron है, iron in raw form it has lots of impurities. So first it is molten form में earthen impurities they are separated, they are heavier, they settle down, and molten iron it comes up. So molten iron is separated and earthen impurities they remain below, right? So in this way they both are